Howdy folks, November 8th, 2012, about 11 a.m. Max Mogren here with your Jackson Hole Skywatch. Forecast was for snow today, but that's been pushed back until tomorrow. Interestingly, you can see those clouds stacking up over the pass, and it was cloudy this morning, but it's been burning off. If we look overhead, we can notice some really pronounced wave patterns in this lower cloud layer. See, that extends all the way to the pass to where those clouds are stacking up. But here the clouds seem to be dissipating, and if you look overhead, especially to the east and over these clouds that are dissipating, you'll notice a whole lot of that high haze that we've been discussing lately in these videos. Notice the kind of linear pattern to that haze. You can see what looks like the typical chemtrail pattern where an airplane will fly over, leave a long lingering trail that slowly spreads out and forms this high haze. This haze we're seeing relative to the wave clouds is much higher. Those clouds are just over the pass, maybe 13,000 feet, and burning off overhead with this funky repeating wave pattern. And then we've got the high haze overhead, which appears to have originated from aerosol spraying, which prompts the question, is somebody making it not snow? I know a lot of ski bums that would be rather pissed off if they found out that weather modification was, pardon me while this truck goes by, weather modification was in fact decreasing our snowfall here in Jackson Hole. There you have it, folks. That high haze, linear patterns in it, looks like geoengineering, and our storm has been pushed back, but hopefully it starts snowing tonight. Have a great day, folks. Peace.